Welcome back, everybody, for another recap. Right now, the market just closed 15 minutes ago. But by the time you're watching this, I'm posting this tomorrow, Saturday. So by the time you're watching this, um, hello from the past. Today we had another great day. Like I mentioned yesterday, if Tesla manages to crack under that 427 to 425 level, it's gonna be dipping exactly like it did yesterday, and we did not hesitate to buy the dip. We're up over a little over 255 on the day, and Tesla bringing in majority of that profit. We'll pull up the trades right now. By the way, that is our free chat. If you guys want to join that, it's the first link down below. Come chat with us. I throw in all my plays and everybody throws in their ideas. But we'll pull up the trades right now. I think one of them was a loss here out of all of them, but I just kept buying every single dip, and every single dip kept bouncing up. I'm just looking for like 30-50 cents. And you got to keep in mind, if it's going to be dipping for an hour, all of these dips add up. So my alert did not get triggered under 407. I do think now we could possibly see if we could. Does it show that yesterday's? Yeah, so see exactly the same play. I did think that we were going to come and touch the SMA like we did up here. So yesterday we hit the 424 level and bounced to the SMA at 434 on the 1 minute. Today we hit 407.38 on the low, and I thought we were going to creep up to 418, which eventually we did. We hit 420 today after hours, but we did it over a longer period of time compared to here. This was like, I'd say, I don't know, 7:49, less than an hour, and compared to here, it was almost throughout the whole day. Well, we did hit the SMA 412 3 hours after the market opened, so it wasn't similar pattern midday, but as for the morning, same exact thing. We played the same exact strategy and we profited. So next week, I don't think we retest 407. So we were talking about Tesla holding the 1 hour very solidly. Right now, it bounced off that 1 hour here on the trend line, uptrend. But on the 4 hour, if we take a look at it, we've cracked that. So anything above 400, if we bounce off, I don't think we come down 407. But if we do, if we maintain 400, we could still see some huge upside potential. Back to like the 444 area. So right under 450. So always watch those $0.50 psychological resistance and support levels as well. That's another strategy I've been just watching, especially for these dip buys. So right when it's like at 415, I don't immediately buy at 415. I wait for it to come down, because I know people are going to be having their stop losses set there, and it has the potential to even come down a little bit more. So even just for like this candle here at 415, what did we eventually come down to? I'm trying to see. We came down to like 413.25. So see that, then Tesla's one that get the volume and the momentum on it is just unbelievable. So that's one that I find easy to play compared to Apple. I don't know why I haven't. My Monday we did nail Apple, but I haven't been really nailing these dips on Apple lately. I don't know what it is, but I just like to flow more on Tesla. So for Apple on the 1 hour, let's pull this one up. I know we were getting slaughtered down on the 1 hour, we still are. So we did break that descending triangle. We were talking about lower highs, 118 lower high, 118.50 lower high, 118 flat lower high, some support right around 115.60. We're now down under that $115 mark. So 115 can be some resistance going into the next week. As for the next level, always watch this wedge, this horrible wedge we've been playing in between this whole week. 112. So if we come down, we could have the potential to reach the $112 mark. Let's pull up /NQ. I know we were talking about the wedge on this one. What was the time frame? 15 minutes? Let's see. Yeah. So look, Monday we had that resistance here, 11.751, and we peaked up just a bit right around here, and we still got slaughtered back down. We had this break here yesterday to the lows. We didn't retest that today though. I thought we were, but we retested that resistance here around the 700 level. So I just want to get out of the wedge here. I don't really like this, but this gives us a great opportunity to just play the highs and the lows. So buy low, sell high, basically. So I think we could possibly. I'm honestly, over the weekend, a ton of news is gonna come out. That's why I don't like swinging anything over the weekend. So I'm not gonna take a guess of where we're gonna probably open Monday. But as we head to elections and the stimulus bill is still up in the air, that's another reason I stopped trading today very early. I didn't want to get played with. I didn't want to deal with the dips and the swings towards the midday, especially on a Friday. So anything on a Friday that's green, I take any profit on a Friday. So a lot of you guys sat out in the chat as well, and usually very choppy. Even just like on the 1 minute, look at this wedge. That resistance and that support here kept getting faked out here towards the end, towards midday, right under this 560 level, and we almost closed near the open. So that's pretty much it. Tesla, let's take a look at Facebook. Facebook's another one that I was watching. I got my alert while at the gym that it broke my alert that I had here. I believe it was like around 285. So I didn't play this one. I was trying to play a dip on this one, but as we reached lows on Facebook, I'm also getting alerted on Tesla and Apple. So those are the three stocks that I'm watching right now tightly: Facebook, Apple, and Tesla. I know somebody mentioned Netflix. I don't know why. I don't really see anything here yet still. I know we got burned on this one a couple days ago trying to buy the dip, and it kept dipping, so I just cut my loss really quick. But as you can see, we've broken that previous support around 490. Now it looks like it's acting as resistance. So like that principle, previous resistance could become support, and vice versa. Previous support can become resistance. So in this case, it's previous support, which is 490, has become resistance here at 490. So I probably won't even touch it until it's down to 481. I don't think we didn't even see a small balance other than this candle here at the open that we had the first day after the earnings. Maybe it can. Maybe Monday it starts rallying above 495 and it just starts crawling back. But keep in mind, it's coming down from the 522 level. It has some room to fill it. But as of now, as of what I see, I don't see anything. All I see is a damn wedge here that we're still stuck in. Neo, I don't think I pulled this one up today. Another sell-off here into the market. Oh, I tried to buy the dip yesterday. Wasn't successful at that one. This one probably would have been the exact same pattern. Dips, ascending triangle. Dips, higher lows on an ascending triangle. Still in between that 2710 level. We pull up the 4 hour. I think I said we could possibly come down under to like 23, but if you look at the grand scheme of things, we're still on a very, very decent uptrend. And if you look at the previous runs it's had, it's pulled back and still managed to maintain higher lows. So even if we pull back to 24, that's possibly a great opportunity to buy in, because we could hold some $24 level and continue back up to the $30 mark, which we almost were touching. So let's pull up SPY. Similar pattern to Apple. We have some lower highs and the support around 342. So even if we dip under 340, we could see the lows of, let's pull up the 1 hour. If we dip under 340 here, I think we hold the 340s. So that previous resistance here was some support here, so 340. But if we come on down under 340, we'd probably be trading in this wedge between 338 and 334. Quick on Amazon, still on the downtrend. So other than that, that's pretty much it for my analysis. Let me know what you guys traded. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, make sure you guys click the first link down below. Join our free chat. Leave a like, comment down below, and I will see you guys on Monday for a brand new trading day. Take care.